Since the dawn of man, killing each other has been big. It doesn't matter if you believe wars are started for resources, or you listen to Billy Carson and believe aliens manufactured humans and taught us how to wage war on one another, or even that a global cabal blackmails those in power with pizza to manipulate events into terror and destruction around the world. Facts are, wars exist. According to accepted history, a lot of tech we use today came from the military, like the internet, for example. Obviously, the recent explosion of robotics and AI did not go unnoticed by the armed forces, which is why today we will take you on a journey through the Eurosatory 2024 military tech exhibition and find out just how far killing machines have advanced. In other words, folks, no man's land is ahead, but we got your six. The first Bravo Zulu on our list is Rolls-Royce. They managed to stick the word hybrid onto a diesel engine. This apparently makes tanks and POVs more efficient and also camouflages them. While still a concept, this 10-cylinder engine has 1100 kilowatt of power, which is about 10 times more than your Camry, and is surprisingly small. But most importantly, it's very good at stealth. Rolls-Royce claims the hybrid engine provides better camouflage by allowing the diesel engine to be switched off while it's powered by batteries. This makes the vehicle much quieter and significantly reduces its heat signature in the battlefield. The big question is, will Predator be able to track this concept engine down, however, remains unknown. Rheinmetall and Lockheed Martin are next up, patting each other on the back for GMARS, Global Mobile Artillery Rocket System. The wheels come from the former, while the shells from the latter. NATO is eagerly clapping its hands because now they'll have that with MLRs and HIMARS. The system can track short and long-range targets and sports an integrated crane that makes the vehicle self-supporting and capable of safely packing its own containers. I wish my kids were like that. GMARS weighs more than 40 tons but can reach speeds of up to 60 miles or 100 kilometers per hour and has a range of 430 miles or 700 kilometers. This also means that the vehicle has a shoot and run capability, meaning it can launch missiles and disappear long before the enemy retaliates. In that sense, although GMARS is a unique system, there are several analogs around the world, most notably North Korea's trash balloons. Let's Charlie Mike. Teledyne FLIR, not to be confused with Cyberdyne, showcased the SUGV 325 robot at the show. Basically, it's an electrically powered tracked platform. Highly mobile off-road and in urban environments, it weighs 20 pounds or 9 kilos and is really easy to carry. The robot is equipped with high-res and long-wave infrared cameras that provide all-round vision and a two-way audio system that makes the SUGV 325 the eyes and ears of the operator. In an hour, the SUGV can traverse 7 miles or 11 kilometers and can climb 45-degree angle slopes. We are still unsure if that's the equipment that was used during the presidential debates recently, but we'll keep you updated. And Hyundai brought its drone countermeasure systems to the show. The Sky Spider all-in-one system is designed to counter enemy UAVs with either machine gun fire or a grenade launcher, which can use programmable ammunition. On top, the Sky Spider has a radar, a 12-mile or a 20-kilometer sat-nav jamming system, a control module, and an optronic system. If you're shopping for one of these bad boys, say, for your backyard, you can also add, for example, an acoustic detection system for drones. And you won't even have to monitor anything, because the Sky Spider comes with its very own AI to identify and select targets, just like Huawei's equipment. Quick side note, the Eurosatory 2024 is held in France, so naturally the French army put on a show by parading their latest gen of armored vehicles named after animals not indigenous to the country, namely Griffin, Jaguar, APC Piranha 3C, and Caesar. Now, in case there's a fire, call Shark Robotics. They brought their UGV Colossus, a firefighting robot best known for helping out with Notre Dame. Colossus is equipped with a self-cooling system that allows it to operate in extreme temperatures. The robot can carry 1,100 pounds or 500 kilos and is currently remote controlled. However, engineers are already working on a fully autonomous system controlled by artificial intelligence. The device is powered by replaceable lithium-ion batteries and, unlike its Rotos counterpart, can operate up to 12 hours. Swiss company TecPro Technologies showed their robotic boat with a range of 2,000 nautical miles or 3,700 kilometers. It's known that VIDAR FP is characterized by low visibility, it's fully autonomous, and is already undergoing sea trials in the Baltics. The boat's engine compartment is recessed deep into the hull, ensuring minimum heat signature. The cooling system reduces the temperature of the exhaust gases so that they're not detected by thermal imaging cameras from the aircraft. The boat is equipped with a 40x magnification vision system that can see over 4 nautical miles or 7 kilometers away. Also, to get a better look at what's out there over the horizon, VIDAR FP can launch its own onboard drone linked to the boat by a tether to lower the electronic signature and communicate with the main computer. Just like this girl I'm seeing, the boat is able to follow instructions, avoid collisions, and even operate for up to 9 hours on its own. And Arquus unveiled the DRAILER robotic fighter support platform. The vehicle is equipped with independent suspension, can carry up to 1,500 pounds or 700 kilos of payload, and can climb gradients of up to 60 degrees and side slopes of up to 30 degrees. DRAILER is designed for long-range missions. It can travel up to 124 miles or 200 kilometers at a speed of only 12 miles or 20 kilometers per hour though. It has a gun that can be remotely controlled, and the iOS on this bad boy is based on an open architecture, which means easy integration of different modules. Fun fact about DRAILER: it will simply ignore a human command that could jeopardize the robot itself, which should be a breeze for it because it has lidars and cameras front and center. The current version of the platform works in different modes: teleoperation, human and vehicle following, and waypoint navigation. Ultimately, however, Arquus wants full autonomy for DRAILER, which is expected in the next 5 to 6 years, just in time for Agenda 2030. Meanwhile, a Turkish defense company, hope I'm pronouncing this correctly, Aselsan, presented top-notch air defense systems. Among them are electronic warfare, enemy detection systems, and communications. For example, the Skydome system, which is designed to provide reliable defense against diverse air threats, including drone swarm attacks and barrage munitions. The system includes early warning radars and means of defeating air targets at both short and long ranges. Another system, the Korkut, otherwise known as FLIR, has 3 armed platforms that can all operate simultaneously from one vehicle. It's capable of firing up to 1,100 rounds per minute and can hit targets at a distance of 2.5 miles or 4 kilometers, which is almost as accurate as the Turkish soccer team. Airbus decided to flex and brought its Flex Rotor drone to the show. Nothing new here, it's been around for the last decade and a half, but sold under the Aeroville brand, later bought by Airbus. The drone is a big hit with the US Navy since if the stars align, it can stay in the air for over 30 hours. Theoretically, it could withstand transits of up to 550 miles or 900 kilometers, for example, to reach a ship at sea. The drone takes off under the control of an operator who sets its course using built-in GPS, while another operator at the pickup point takes over on arrival. Keep this info on the down low, however, guys, because if Amazon ever finds out about this, your local supermarket is going to be out of business quick. CNIM Systèmes Industriels demonstrated the PFM motorized floating bridge and the Rocus unmanned route clearance system at the Eurosatory 2024 military show. The floating bridge is designed to increase mobility of military units. It can be quickly deployed and used for letting not only people but also heavy equipment cross. The Rocus unmanned route clearance system is designed to detect and neutralize threats, making sure military convoys can pass safely. It combines advanced robotic solutions and can also serve as protection for personnel and other assets. However, once cartels start using Rocus, then we know it's legit. Another company with a funny name, this time from Belgium, Cockerill Defense, presented its flagship product at the exhibition, Cockerill IX. The vehicle is positioned as the world's first ground-based interceptor and a revolutionary combat system for interdiction and territorial defense. According to the company, Cockerill IX never misses. It's lightweight, low profile, but most importantly, the equipment on board can combine data from various sources, such as smart helmets, onboard AI, cameras, and other sensors. It can be parachuted from an airplane, thrown off a ship into the sea, and dumped by a truck. Dear Cockerill Defense, if you're ever going to try to find another name for the IX, just call it Tom Cruise. There were more exhibits and companies, but this was Eurosatory 2024 in a nutshell. What do you guys think? Are we closer to security with all these military gadgets lurking around, or not? Let us know in the comments. So if you're already subbed to Pro Robots, then Tango Yankee to you. Otherwise, subscribe to the channel, like this and other videos, and check out our Instagram to stay tuned for more from the world of high tech.